Right. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, last class we have completed assignment operator and we completed arithmetic operators, right? We need to learn next topic, incrementing and decrementing operators, right? Next operators, incrementing and decrementing operators. Increment and decrement operators. Next operators, increment and decrement operators. Increment and decrement operators. Yesterday example completed. Did you fix the 20%? Yesterday we developed the program reading number from the keyboard, reading percentage from the keyboard, and then perform the dynamic operation. I gave the question, find the increase the salary of an employee by 20%. Just I should tell you one example, that's why I taken 20. But you should not fix the value 20 in the program. You have to read that value from keyboard. Okay, yesterday program, just I changed the terminology, that's all. Okay, tell me same program. Here in place of number, what you asked? Salary. Here percentage. Salary is int or double? Double. Percentage also? Int or double, your wish. And then now the same formula. Here here we find the percentage. Okay, you want percentage of the employer, increase the salary of employer. If you want increase the salary of employee, what I should write? Number plus. Okay, na number plus. This is the result of increased salary. What you have to display? Original salary and increased salary. That's it. So if you are unable to write, please meet me after class. We will discuss. And now today, let's start the next operator, increment and decrement operators. All right, and first. First of all, tell me, plus plus minus minus are the incrementing and decrementing operators. Point number one. What is that? Plus plus minus minus. Now plus plus is increment operator. Plus plus is increment operator. Full stop. It is used for increasing. It is used for increasing a variable value. It is used for increasing a variable value exactly by 1. A variable value exactly by 1. Look at here. I have a variable a equal to 10. Okay, then I'm writing a plus plus. Then system dot outer println a. What is the value? 11. Understand? I want to increase a value exactly by 1. Then we have to use a plus plus. The full form of a plus plus is a equal to a plus 1. I want to increase a variable value means I have to increase and store the value in the same variable. Na? So that's why this is the full form. And this is shortcut form is what? A plus plus. Right. For example, Place these 3 lines in box. Where will you type this code? Inside main method. Okay, next. Next bullet point. Minus, minus. Minus, minus. Hope you know minus, minus means hyphen, hyphen. Minus, minus is called decrement operator. Is called decrement operator. It is used for. Can you tell me the statement? Decreasing a variable value by exactly 1. It is used for decreasing a variable value by 1. For example, tell me, int b equals to 10. B minus minus plus plus minus moya moya na SOPLN B. What is the value? 9. The meaning of B minus minus is B equal to B minus 1. Okay. When you're watching any reels or YouTube shorts, when you got moyo moyo, then plus plus minus minus. Increase or decrease? Decrease a variable value by 1 and storing result. Decreasing variable value by 1 and storing result in the same variable. Everyone understand? Now let's see now. Small program on this. I take an x variable, okay? Variable name as x. Test program, main method, int x equal to 10, x plus plus x value. Y variable, y minus minus, y value. Control 1, compile. Control 2, execute. Look at that, y value is 11 and x value is 11, y value is 9. Okay, next. We have two increment and decrement operation. We have two types of increment and decrement operators. We have two types of increment and decrement operators. Number 1, pre-increment and post-increment. Pre-increment and post-increment. Can you write like this? Pre-increment is 1, post-increment is 2nd. Increment comma or pre-increment comma decrement. They same line. Pre-increment comma decrement, post-increment comma decrement. Comma rase decrement and rase. Pre-increment, pre-decrement, post-increment comma decrement. We have two types of SIMs. Prepaid, postpaid. What is the difference between them? Prepaid means first you will pay and use. Postpaid means first you use and then pay. Same concept here also. Pre-increment, post-increment means same topic. Observe, I don't want to write on the screen. I want to use board. Look at here. I'm creating variable int a equal to 10. Okay. Here I am writing plus a. What is this? Pre-increment. System dot out dot println a. What is the output? Output 11 row incremented na. Okay, 11. Nice. Next, everyone watch. Int a equal to 10. Again, same statement I have written. A plus plus semicolon. System dot out dot println a. What is a value? Here also 11. Okay, here also you'll get 11. Either you use pre-increment or post-increment. Variable value increased by 1. Okay. Next. So what is this now? What is this? Pre-increment. What is this? Post-increment. What the meaning of it? If we use plus plus before variable name, that is called pre-increment. If I use plus plus after variable, then post-increment. Okay. Next point. Same point. Okay. Int a equal to 10 minus a. What is this? Pre-decrement. Okay. Now system dot out dot println a. What the value? 9. 9. Next, int a equal to 10. Now I'm writing what? A minus minus. A minus minus. What is this? Post decrement. Post decrement. Okay, circular box. System dot out dot println a. What is output? 9. Okay. So for pre-increment, post increment also we got 11. Pre-decrement, post-decrement also we got the value 9. Then what is the difference between these two operators? Okay. First write on this. I will explain. Down. If I use plus plus operator before variable, if I use plus plus operator before variable name, if I use plus plus operator before variable name, we will call it as pre-increment. Can you add small correction? 1 second. If you use, you written plus plus na, there only try to adjust comma minus minus before variable name, then we call it as pre-increment and decrement. Down right. Plus plus a minus minus a. Just there only. Just plus plus a, comma minus minus a. Place in box. A no, B no, yedo utrabo. Next, second bullet point. If we place what? Plus plus minus minus after variable name. After variable name. We call it as post increment, post decrement. Post increment and post decrement. Okay. Down right. This program, for example. Completed? Down. What is the difference between pre-increment and post-increment operators? Then they gave same result. What is the difference between pre-increment and post-increment operators when they give same result? When they give same result. Right? Above you got the same output 10, 10. Right? Then what the difference? Observe. Write down. Write down. First you write statement. After operator is executed, which operator? Plus, plus, minus, minus. Okay. After those operators executed, in the next line, both operators result. In the next line, both operators result will be same. Will be same. Full stop. In the same line, the value will be different. In the same line, the value will be different. Look at here. I'm writing something like this. Int a equal to 10. Okay. Now I'm writing system.out.println plus a. Okay, na? Plus a. Then I am writing system.out.println a. It's very tough to understand. Please focus. And you have to talk along with me. And next, same program writing int a equals to 10 and system.out.println int a equals to 10 system.out.println a plus plus. Then now I'm writing system.out.println a. Okay, na? Now tell me. Here, what is the output of this a? 11. Here also 11. After plus plus executed result is what? Same. 11, 11. There is no difference. Then where is the difference? In the same execution line is the difference. Here plus plus a is different. Here a plus plus is different. Okay. Observe. First point you need to understand. What the meaning of a plus plus or plus plus a? The meaning is a equal to a plus 1. Okay. Now on this variable a, what is the value of the a? 10 first. Okay. When you write a equal to a plus 1, first it has to read the value, na? Then what it has to increase, and then it has to store. So totally how many operations are happening? 3. First one, read. Second one, increase. Third one, store. These 3 operations execution order will be different. Understand my point? These 3 operations execution order will be different. Okay. What operator we have taken? Plus plus. Plus plus means pre-increment or post-increment? Pre-increment. Pre. To whom pre? Pre means whom? Read, store. Read and store. Observe now. Here pre means store. First what happened? A memory is created. The meaning of a plus plus is Here totally 3 operations are there. Oh, sorry, plus plus a. Plus plus a means 3 operations are there. Number 1, read. Okay, first what happened? Read. Number 2, increase. Number 3, store. Okay, store. Tell me, after this statement completed, number 3, store. First what value? 10. Okay, let me write this side. Number 3, store. 10 replace with what? 11. First read. Second, increment. Third, store. Okay. Then after this statement, tell me here this line should be replaced with a value na. Whenever you write plus plus a, this assignment operator is their background na. Assignment operator should return result na. Here then result is what? 4. Return the value. What value is coming? 10 or 11? 11 will come. Why 11 is coming? Because you are reading the value after increment. Understood? Now comes to the point now. Here a variable value is 10. A plus plus. A plus plus. Okay. Let me write the same diagram in another way for not having more confusion. This is a little confusion. Okay. If you pay attention, easy. What is the value available? What is the statement here? Plus plus a. What is the meaning of first plus plus? Go there and increment. 10 replace with what? 11. Then second statement is what? Read. First store, then read, then third step is what? Return. Okay, plus plus is what? First store, increase. Second, read, because A is available after plus plus na. Then return. What return? Original value or increased value? Increased value. So first increase, second read, third return, Okay. Now here apply now. A plus B. A plus B. What is first there? A. A means store or reader? Read. Already read. This A is replaced with what value? 10. So now read first. First step read. Then next one is what? Increase. 10 replaced with 11. Second step is increase. Third step is what? Return. What is returning? Increased value, original value? Original value. ఏం చూడాలి? What you have to see, what you have to observe? Plus plus a first, a plus plus first, plus plus a. Plus plus a means first increase, read, return. What return? Increased value return. By the time we are reading the value, what is available in the variable? Increased value available, return that value. Whereas if you come to the a plus plus, first what is there? A. A means increase or read? Read. Read operation already completed. What value we read? Original value? Yes. That original value is substituted here. Is it immediately returning? No. Then next step is what? Increase in the variable. After increasing, are you reading? No. You are not reading. So what happened? Already read value 10 only returned to the program. So tell me, here expression is executed with what value? 11. Here expression is executed with what value? 10. Tell me now, plus plus a means increase and then return. Increase and return. What the value? 11. So what is the output we will get here? 11. Understand? Tell me, here a plus plus means what? Increase and return, original value return? Original value return. So what is the output we get? 10. So tell me, where increment and decrement operators are having difference? In the next line, in the current execution line? In the current execution line, plus plus a is executed with increased value. A plus plus is executed with original value. After that line execution completed, this A is reading from where? A variable. Tell me now here, tell me the statements now. A variable, here what happened? Plus plus a means first 10 increased by 11 and then reading. Plus plus first increase, then what? Read and then return. Okay. Then tell me, here a plus plus means what? A variable memory created with what value? 10. First step is what? Read. Katam, completed already reading. Then next increasing. 11. Now this is second. Third step is what? 10 returning, because already reading completed. Already reading is completed. So just it is increasing purpose it is going. Plus plus is not meant for reading. Plus plus is meant for only increasing. Then who is reading? A. Then what value coming? 10. Next line A, by the time what is the value available in the variable? 11. That 11 is coming. Here also by the time A variable reading, what is the value available? 11. That's why 11 is coming. So in the next line, you have the original value for both operators, but in the same line, we don't have original value. Plus plus, minus minus. Plus plus means increase and use. Plus plus means first read, then increase and use original value. That's a simple point you have to accept and remember. Don't try to understand. Try to accept and memorize and remember. Ante. ఎక్కడైతే ప్లస్ ప్లస్ ఏ కనిపించేదో అక్కడ నేను ఇంక్రీజ్ చేసిన వాల్యూ వాడుకోవాలి. ఎక్కడైతే ఏ ప్లస్ ప్లస్ కనిపించేదో అక్కడ నేను ఒరిజినల్ వాల్యూ వాడుకోవాలి. ఆ రెండు లైన్స్ తర్వాత ఏది ఉన్నా సరే నాకు సంబంధం ఇంక్రీజ్డ్ వాల్యూ వాడుకోవాలి. సో ఇన్ ద స్టేట్మెంట్ ప్లస్ ప్లస్ ఏ ఐ ఫౌండ్, దెన్ యూస్ ఇంక్రీజ్డ్ వాల్యూ. In the statement A plus plus I found, there I have to use original value. After these A plus 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 whatever in the next statements, A means increased value. Okay na? Right. Plus plus A means we must use increased value. One small correction. Listen first. In an expression, A plus plus means, you have to start the statement with in an expression. In an expression, A plus plus means use what written? A plus plus means we must use increased value. 11, comma 11, comma 11. I written E plus plus A na. Plus plus A means what? Increased value we have to use na. In an expression, what you have written by here? Plus plus A rasa hoga. You written plus plus A na A plus plus. I said plus plus A. Okay, if you have written A plus plus, strike off and write plus plus A. In an expression. Okay, 1 minute. In an expression, plus plus A means, comma, we must use, not used, use. We must use, you must use it and you are using. Not you are using, right? Yeah, you must use increased value plus 11, comma 11. Clear? Next, A plus plus means, comma, we must use original value. Comma, what? 10. Next, after plus plus A and A plus plus executed, after plus plus A and A plus plus A plus plus A and A plus plus are executed, either in the same expression, or the next statements, or in the next statements, we must use what? Increased value. We must use increased value 11. We must use increased value 11. Write down this. For example, For example, write this statement. Don't write execution lines. First you write program. Int a equal to 10, SOPLN plus a, then SOPLN a. 3 lines. First write program. First you write program. First you write program. ఏం చెప్పాను? Here a memory create. What value? 10. Create రా, ఎంతసేపు చూస్తావు? SOPLN plus a means what I told? This plus a I should replace with 11. Okay. What is the output here? 11. Right arrow mark here 11. Plus a in the expression plus a returns 11. After plus a, either in the same statement or next statement, what you will get? Increased value 11. అంతే అయిపోయింది. Say ఈ side right. Here what is the value? 10 replaced with 11 in the here in the memory diagram. In the memory diagram, plus a increase 11. Next statement write down. Here also first what? A memory created with what value? 10. First what are you doing? A plus means you have to replace with what? 10. What is output you are getting? 10. And increase 10 by 11. Increasing will be there. After a plus you are getting 11. A plus is a danger fellow. Plus a, you use your brain, don't use your brain, don't matter. You will get correct value 11 only. But a plus is post increment is danger. Yes or no? Post increment real life also danger, na? After using SIM for 1 month, if you don't pay money, danger. Okay, post increment is always danger. అదేగా చెప్పింది నోట్స్, మళ్ళీ అదే అడుగుతాను. చెప్పింది అదే కదరా, ఎందుకు మళ్ళీ కన్ఫర్మేషన్? Write down here execution flow. A plus a execution flow. First step is what? Read a increaser. Increase. Second step, read what value? Increased value. Third step, return or use the increased value. Return or use the increased value. First step, increase. Second, read the increased value. Third step, return or use the increased value. And more explanation, more confusion maybe. Okay, that's why given here shortcut. For the shortcut, plus a 11 this is score. A plus 10 this is score. I will take here 11, take the 10 there. Complete a shortcut. But you should also know what is happening in detail. If you don't understand detailed explanation, leave it. Only follow this. And now memory diagram, right? A variable memory 10. System dot out dot println plus a. First step is what? Increase. 10 replace with 11. Second step is what? Read. Now plus a is substituted with 11 and return that 11. 1, 2, 3. Done? Can you tell me the execution flow for A++? Execution flow A++. What the first step? Read what value? Original value. Then second, increase. Third, return or use. Original value. ఇక ప్రసాద్ రిలాక్స్ అవుతున్నావు రాయకుండా. నేను రాసిన దాకా వెయిట్ చేస్తే టైం సరిపోదు మనకి. Read original value, increase value, increase the value, then return or use original value. Draw memory yourself. A memory created with value 10. System.out.println A++. First A వచ్చింది కాబట్టి దాన్ని ఫస్ట్ రీడ్ చేసేసుకోవాలి. First step. Then first step read and substitute what here? 10. Then increase. Second step. 10 replace with 11. Third step, return 10. Online students, take screenshot if you want. Offline students, after class, you can take photo. Done, completed. So with this, I want to give you few test cases. Let's see how many people can understand. What is the output of this program? Here and here, am I using in combination with any other thing? No, individual. Just what happened? Increase, increase. Reading the increased value. Both output is 11, 11. Okay, now confusion or no confusion? Here confusion when if I am using this statement combination with other statement. Okay, now I take an x value 1 because 10 plus 1 11 and okay 10 1. Tell me, I am using plus plus in combination with println. So println should give the input. Tell me what I have written. X plus plus. So what is the output? 1 x 2 plus plus x 2 x. Control 1. Compile. Control 1 2 2 2. Under confident? Last year bhaiya? Understood? Babu? Online students, offline students? Everyone confident? Next question coming, torture. Next question is torture. You know, when first time when I see that question, I mean in my academics I didn't see that question. As part of interview, that question faced by one of my student. Then he asked me, I also confused. How is this output coming? I don't understand. Then we all searched in the Google. In the Google, wonderful answer I gave. What is that? Increment not happen here. Compiler ignore this statement. How compiler ignore this statement? When you write some statement, compiler JVM should execute it, na? But many places we have seen the same output, ignored. But my mind not accepted. Why it is ignored? Should not ignored. And the background, something is happening, that flow of execution we should understand. Then we have written the execution flow. This is the first step what, second step what, third step what. Then we got correct output. Let's see how many of you give correct answer. I don't explain. I want you only explain. Write on this program, tell me output. What is the output from below program? Don't write program, write only statements. Write only statements. What is the output from below program? This is the program asked in the interview. And we all confused. Let's see, you confused or not. With your mind will work, or with the flow of execution will work. Let's see. When I find the output of this program correctly, I felt so happy. ఏం చేస్తున్నా పెరిగి తింటా కూర్చుంటావు అయిపోయిందా ఏమైపోయిందిరా రాసుకోవడం అయిపోయిందా ముందర చెప్పిన నోట్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ యూస్ చేయి అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుంది everyone completed? Tell me, what is the x value? Y value? Okay, what is the x value? Hey, come again, what is the x value? Here, line number 6. 11. What is the y value? 11. Okay, what is here x value? 10. Hey, after this plus completed, what is x value? X plus means what? Increase the x variable value. When? After reading. But x value should be increased, na? What is the y value? Everyone using your eyes, no one has a drawn memory. That's why you're giving wrong answer. Draw memory. As I have written on the board, side you draw memory. At this line number memory, at this line number memory, at this line number memory. Write memory, you will get correct answer. Don't use your eyes. 12 re ye urra mide. Pawan, how will you get 10 man, 12 man? Draw memory so that you will get correct output. If you use your eyes, you will get wrong answer. Here into there na. Aishwarya. Already x variable I declared. I am reusing it. Bharat Kumar, you have used x plus plus but a. How will you get 10? That's why I'm saying don't use your brain. Use the notes I gave. Either you use plus plus x or x plus plus. In the next line, you will get increased value only. Here and here, no confusion. 11, 11 should come. This is the output. What did I told you? Plus plus x, x plus plus value difference will be in the same execution line, not in the next line. Next line, x value is incremented value only. In the current executing line only will be the difference. Here y value 11, y value 10. Understood? Why? Draw memory. X memory created with what value? 10. Plus plus x means what? First, increase. 10 replace with 11. Then read. Then store. What is the y value? 11. What is the x value? 11. What the y value? 11. So simple. Confusion masters. 1, 2, 3. ఏం చేస్తున్నావు? రాసావా? మరి తర్వాత ఎవరు రాస్తాడు? నేను రాస్తే కాపీ చేసుకుంటావా? ఒకటి చెప్పినా రెండోది ట్రై చేయాలి కదా. ఇంటర్వ్యూలో ఎవరు ట్రై చేస్తాడు? ఏం చేస్తుందా? మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ వేరియబుల్ ఎంత? 10. వాట్ ది మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ప్లస్? ఫస్ట్ రీడ్. ఇప్పుడు ఎక్స్ ప్లస్లో ఎంత వచ్చి కూర్చుంది? 10. ఇమీడియట్ 10 కాపీ అవుతా అవదు. నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇంక్రిమెంట్. 10 replace with 11. Second step. Third step, copy. What is copying? Hey, where did you read, man? Read already completed. Before incrementing only read completed. What the output will come? Y variable value is 10. X value is 11. Y value is 10. Reading here 10. Reading here 11. That's why y value is 11. Here y value is 10. Third step, confusion. Not understand, leave it. If not understand, leave it. Okay? దేవుని ముందర కూర్చుంటే రాదు. If you sit in front of God like in a what do you call meditation, by closing your mouth, it will not come. Open your mouth and speak like in park, so that you will understand. If not understand, leave it, simple. I'm telling you again and again, it is not understanding, it is a algorithm. Algorithm means you have to follow. What I told you first, plus plus means increment and then read. Use the incremented value. X plus plus means what I told? First read, increase and use original value, because already reading completed. Have you written this? Now, write down. Next example. What is the output from below program? మీరు ప్రోగ్రామ్ ని మీ బ్రెయిన్ యూజ్ చేసి చేయకూడదు. షుడ్ నాట్ యూజ్ యువర్ బ్రెయిన్ టు సాల్వ్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్. యూ షుడ్ యూజ్ ద అల్గరిథమ్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ ప్లస్ ప్లస్ ఏ? use the increased value. Increase, read, then use. What is the meaning of a plus plus? First read, increase, use original value. This program I am talking about. In Google, here compiler ignored. Okay, why compiler ignored? Why they confused? Because they don't go apply algorithm properly. Now write this program. Next case, what is the output from below program? Compare this program with the previous program. In previous program, what I did? In this program, what I did? Compare and tell me. Babu Hruday, don't use your own algorithm, okay? Notes code cheppanu kadara, Tumri fellow. I gave notes also, right? Why you guys are not using notes properly? Why you are creating your own algorithms? First X is increased, then Y is assigned. Assignment operator first executed, plus plus first executed. First fellows. Such a simple point you are confusing unnecessary by adding more extra points to your brain. Overaction చేయొద్దు. Strictly apply the given algorithm. Don't use extra statements in your brain. ఏం చేసావు? రాసి కూర్చున్నావు సైలెంట్గా. ఇప్పుడు కొడతా ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇంకా. చెప్పు నోట్స్ చదవండి, చదివి అప్లై చేయి. Check with your next friend what he got output, what you got output. Check with your friends and tell me output. వాట్ కంప్లీటెడా? ఏమొచ్చింది ఆన్సర్? నీది ఆన్సర్ ఎంత? కలిగిక్కుంటావేంట్రా? ఎంత వచ్చింది? Answer is 2-2. Both are 2-2. One 2-1, 2-2. How many of you got 2-1? Super. Sorry, చెప్తున్నాడు బాబు. Anusha, I am not ready to explain. Read notes. I dictated notes and gave you diagram. Apply that flow in your brain and find out. I don't explain. I done with my job. Why you got 1? In a pre-increment, X value incremented. In post-increment, X value is not incremented. X value not incremented or 2 times assigned. In internet, the explanation for this line is, if you post increment X value assigned to the same variable. Yes or no? In the previous program, you are assigning to different variable. In this program, you are assigning to same variable. In a post increment, if you assign the result to the same variable, variable is not increased. Why not increased? Not increased. Remember. Okay. There is a algorithm. Tell me, in a plus plus x, one assignment is there? Yes or no? In a x plus plus also one assignment is there? Again you are assigning. How many assignments happen here? 2. First assignment happened with increased value. Second assignment is happening with increased value of original value. That's why existing value, increased value 11 replaced with original value 10. అందుకే చెప్పా. ఏమని చెప్పాను? I told you one thing. What is that? Don't show your talent. Don't use your brain. Just execute with the given algorithm. X variable. As like don't use my brain. That's what my advantage, your problem. ఒక క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్తే if I get one question in the exam, I don't use my brain. I will only ask, what is the algorithm I have to apply? What compiler do? What JVM will do? Will compiler and JVM uses their brain or apply algorithm? That's what I am telling. Think like a compiler. Think like a compiler and JVM. Compiler and JVM never use their own mind. Always use given algorithm. What is the meaning of int x equal to n? Create x variable and initialize with 1. Okay, kadam, that is algorithm. Second, what is the meaning of x equal to plus plus x? X equal to, this is assignment operator, should be executed last. Okay, plus plus x. What is the meaning of plus plus? First, increase 1 with 2. Then read 1, 2. What value coming? 2. Substitute. Plus plus x replace with what? 2. Store. Where? Same variable x. Then go to again same memory. Existing value 2 replace with 2 again. Then go to next line. Read x. What value coming? 2. నా మైండ్ వాడేనా అల్గరిథం అప్లై చేశానా? ఐ జస్ట్ అప్లైడ్ అల్గరిథం. ఏమంటావు? నెక్స్ట్ టైం నువ్వేం చేస్తావు? అబ్బా ఎన్నిసార్లు ట్రై చేస్తావు కూర్చుంటావు? ఇది 4వ ప్రోగ్రామ్. మరి ట్రై చేయి, దీన్ని ట్రై చేయి, చూస్తా. Everyone try now. Now you try and tell me why one you got output. I already explained that meaning, right? Apply the same algorithm. Draw memory again. Tell me why you got 1 here. Now everyone should get 1. వచ్చిందా ఓటు? All people got 1. చెప్పండి. What is the meaning of x equal to 1? Actually, in this memory only 2 replace with 1. But for our understanding purpose, I am writing x again. Is x again created in the memory? No. Okay, 1. What happened first? Read. X replaced with 1. Is it immediately stored? No. Then plus plus. In first step, 1 is read and substituted. Plus plus. Plus plus means 1 replaced with 2. Third step, return that original value. Third step, what is going? 1. Where? Same variable. Existing value 2 replace with 1. So tell me, in a post increment also variable value is increased, but the original value, after increasing the original value, you are storing in the same variable. That's why incremented value is replaced with original value. In the next line x, if you read, what is the value coming? 1. అర్థమైందా? 1 ఎందుకు వచ్చిందో? Am I using my brain? Applied algorithm. Algorithm I applied, that's it. Execution flow, memory diagram I have applied. Algorithm is nothing but execution flow and memory diagram. First step meaning, second step meaning, third step meaning, fourth step. And if you follow this, your answer, compiler JVM answer, same. 100% you will pass in your interview. So I promise you, your first interview will be the last interview. If you follow algorithms, if you think like a compiler and JVM, you will get always correct answers. So change your attitude, change your mindset. If you still have questions, doubts, ask. There is no point of not understanding. Okay, don't say not understand, sir. No point of understanding. Only point of apply the algorithm. Ante. Shall we try one more example? Up to now, we are using plus plus, x plus plus, individual assigning to variable like this. Okay. Now I want to use multiple plus pluses. Combination of plus 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 plus. Ready? Big expressions we are writing now. So finally, what is the point you have understood? Wherever I have seen plus plus, what should I substitute? Increased value. Where I have seen x plus plus, what I have to substitute? Original value. In the next part of the expression or in the next line, what I have to use? Original value or increased value? Increased value. Save it. Write down this case. మెమరీ డ్రా చేసి అవుట్పుట్ చెప్పాలి. మీకు నచ్చినట్టుగా మాట్లాడకూడదు. int x equal to 1, give the line gaps like this. Whatever the gaps I gave, same gaps you give, so that you can write execution flow steps. Completed? What is your output? X value? X value 1. How X value 1 here? Did you assign X value to the same variable or another variable? In a previous program where you got 1 because assigned to the same variable. Here where you assign the same variable? You only increased. You didn't do another assignment, right? What the X value? 3. What the Y value? 4. Okay, let me see. Control 1. Control. Wow. What is the output? 3, 4. Everyone got? How many? Raise your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, girls. And maths code Rava? Simple addition, subtractions hai. Ayyo. Look at here. X variable memory created. 1. Everyone look at here. Matlada nato word. Try to talk along with me. మాట్లాడరా నేను అడిగినప్పుడల్లా ఎస్ఆర్ అంటావు తర్వాత సైలెంట్ కూర్చుంటావు ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ప్లస్ అంటే ఏంటి వాట్ ది మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఏంటి రీడ్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ప్లస్ రీప్లేస్ విత్ 1 ఓకే దెన్ ఇంక్రిమెంట్ ఫస్ట్ చదువుకోండి తర్వాత ఇంక్రిమెంట్ చేసుకోండి ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ plus plus x means what value you have to use original value or previous increased value plus plus means what first increase existing value 2 increase 3 then read and replace with 3 1 plus 3 store y 4 అర్థమైందా రాజా అదైనా తర్వాత చేయలేదనుకో కిచిడి what the x value 3 y value 4 still any confusions did you understand how to solve the expression when you're solving expression down you write the values what value you have to use in this place down you write so that finally you can add ready for one more example no sir partner adding 2 numbers also crying like anything clearing have written ఇంకెక్కడి నుంచి స్టెప్పులు రాయకూడదు చకచక రాసేసుకుని వెళ్ళిపోవాలి చెప్పండి నేను అవుట్పుట్ ఏంటి అదే మేము ఉంది కదా అంటే అది మస్తు షేడ్స్ ఉన్నారు నీలో కమల్ హాసన్ like that must confusions are there in this program that's why plus plus minus minus is such a my favorite topic okay where I can torture the students I can sharp your brain like anything why I confidently say that you will 100% pass written test exam because that many test cases I will cover in the class and when you see any new question your mind unknowingly work like a compiler and JVM give right answer when you're riding cycle first day confusion second day confusion by trying second day third day fourth day fifth day definitely one day you will get balance no same thing we are doing here in Java also I will strictly follow cycle riding don't use your brain let it automatically work how apply algorithm simple x plus plus కనిపిస్తే అక్కడ ఇంక్రీజ్ ఒరిజినల్ వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి ప్లస్ ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ కనిపిస్తే అక్కడ ఇంక్రీజ్డ్ వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి అంతే read, substitute, increase. Increase, read, substitute. Ante. Simple. Simple formula. మన డిస్కషన్ కి ఒక టెలిగ్రామ్ గ్రూప్ ఉంది, షేర్ చేసేదా? ఫర్ సబ్జెక్ట్ డిస్కషన్ we have one telegram group with your seniors. Hello, did you listen? There is a telegram group with your seniors. Last all my previous batches, recently I created telegram. Earlier I have a WhatsApp group, I mean Facebook group, but people are not much interested to use Facebook. So I shifted to Telegram. Shall I share? But in that group, all your past students are lazy fellows, Corona batch. They didn't study well. So in return, they are blaming me, saying that I did not teach well. ఇప్పుడు దాంట్లో మిమ్మల్ని యాడ్ చేస్తే ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది, అందుకే యాడ్ చేయలేదు. I didn't add you in that batch group because they didn't study well, and return they are blaming me. So I want your batch to be separate from that batch. That's why I didn't join. Okay, so shall I join there or leave it? That batch is polluted batches. I don't want you join the polluted batch. Or shall I create separate Telegram group? Which one? Seniors batch or separator? Separator. Completed output. What the X value? Y value? 16. Come on. Everyone tried by your own typing in system or hey, online students? Hey, are you showing your talent or systems talent? Hey, your output same, yeah? Wow, 3 and 16. Now tell me, how 3 and 16? Did you all apply diagram? X variable, write large dabba. What the output? 1. And then X plus plus means read, substitute, increase. Plus plus X means what? Increase, then read. Now I decrease number of arrow marks. Did you notice? Which arrow mark is important? That much on writing. X plus plus means what? Increase is compulsory, na? Increase is compulsory, but what is the first step? That only I am writing. Read is first step. Read, substitute, then go on increment. Next step, first is what? Increase. That's why I am writing arrow mark into the memory. Increase, after increasing, substitute. Next, X plus plus means what? Read, substitute, increase. Next, X minus minus, read 4, then decrease. Next, 3. Next, plus plus X. First, decrease 3 by 2, then read 2. Plus plus X, increase 2, 3, then read 3. X value 3, Y value, add all 16. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 5, 60. అబ్బాయి అర్థమైందా? ఇంకా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసే దగ్గర ఉన్నావా? అందరికి అర్థమైందా? మొహమాట పడుతున్నారు ఇంకా? Still people are feeling shy to ask questions. Hey, భయ్యా, hello. నిజంగా still anybody last year understood? Got the flow? X plus plus means read, substitute, increase. Read, substitute, increase. Plus plus X means what? Increase, read, substitute. Ante, simple. Let's see now more warm up bits. One more bit, let's try. Maybe one day we are spending for this operation, this program, no problem, because daily we are working with this topic only. Every day. Try. One more bit, let us try. తొందరగా ఫాస్ట్గా ఉండాలి. చిన్నగా ఎప్పుడుగో నిద్ర లేస్తావు. మీ బాడీలో ఆ ఎంజైమ్స్ ఉండాలి. In your body you should have that Java enzymes. Next bit, come on, next bit. Like how lion is, hunting for next deer. Similarly, you should also have the same into next bit. Come on, yes, I answered this. Next bit, let me try. If I say that's all, antena aipoyiniya, that's all over. That feeling you should get. Arrow marks raskondi. In, out. Pre means in, post means out. Don't try to escape. If you have any confusion, ask. I'm here to explain you, okay? I will explain personally also, no problem. But if you apply algorithm, confused, ask. Without applying algorithm, there is no point of confusion, there is no point of understanding. Java means algorithms. I should apply the steps. Mouth vadali. You should use your mouth and speak. Silent ga కూర్చుంటే పనికి రాదు. Now the most enjoyable Java enjoyable days are started. Next 45 days you peaks enjoy. In written test exam, all these questions will be there. I'm telling you. So don't ignore. చెప్పు ఏం డౌట్? వన్ బిట్ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేయి. ప్లస్ ప్లస్ ఉంది కదా, ప్లస్ ప్లస్ అంటే ఇంక్రీజ్ చేయాలి కదా. 1 ఇంక్రీజ్ బై 2. నెక్స్ట్ ఏం వాడాలి? మళ్ళీ +2 ఎందుకు రాస్తున్నావు? ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ప్లస్ ప్లేస్లోకి ఏమొచ్చింది? ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ప్లస్ లేక ఆల్రెడీ 1 వచ్చేసింది కదా, మళ్ళీ 2 ఎందుకు రాస్తున్నావు? ఒకటేదాన్ని ప్లస్. ఇప్పుడు ప్లస్ ప్లస్ అంటే ఏంటి? రీడా ఇంక్రీజా? ప్లస్ ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ మీన్స్ ముందర ప్లస్ ఉంది కదా బ్రదర్, ముందర ప్లస్ అంటే ఏం చేయాలి? ప్లస్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఇంక్రీజ్ కదా. వేరియబుల్ నేమ్ అంటే రీడ్, ప్లస్ అంటే ఇంక్రీజ్. ఫస్ట్ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేయి. ఎంత? తర్వాత ఏం చేయాలి? ఎక్స్ అంటే రీడ్ చేసి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయి. ఈ ప్లస్ ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ ప్లేస్లోకి ఏమొస్తుంది? రైట్, ప్లస్ రాసుకో. ఏ ప్లస్ ఎక్కడ అక్కడ రాసుకో. ఇది ఇక్కడ తీసుకెళ్ళి అక్కడ పెడితే కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వవా? ఈ ప్లస్ కింద ప్లస్ రాసుకో. ఈ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ప్లస్ లోకి 1 వచ్చింది. ఈ ప్లస్ ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ లోకి ఏమొచ్చింది? 3. మళ్ళీ ఈ ప్లస్ కిందకి వచ్చింది. ఈ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ప్లస్ లోకి ఏం చేయాలి? ఇప్పుడు ఎక్స్ ముందులుందా ప్లస్ ముందులుందా? అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? రీడింగ్. ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ వాల్యూ రీడ్. ఎంత వచ్చింది? 3. ప్లస్ ప్లస్ అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? ఇంక్రీజ్. ఈ 3 వెళ్ళిపోయి 4 వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ. మళ్ళా ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ మైనస్. ఫస్ట్ ఏముంది? ఎక్స్ ఉంది. ఎక్స్ అంటే ఏంటి? రీడ్. 4 తెచ్చేసుకోవాలి. మైనస్ మైనస్ అంటే డిక్రీజ్. ఈ 4 ప్లేస్ లో 3 వస్తుంది. డిక్రీజ్ అయిపోయింది. plus x plus ఏది రాసావు? Hey, which bit you are solving? Line number 15 line number 22? Line number? ఇది ఆల్రెడీ అయిపోయింది కదా? x plus plus ఇదే మళ్ళీ రాసు. అర్థం కాలేదా? ఎంతసేపు చేస్తావు? చెప్పారా? What is the output you got? X value, Y value, control 1, control 2, 0. Wow. How many people got this answer? Super. Inka still some remaining people are there. Confusing. Rambabu? Oh, Rambabu. Vachelipoyadu. నీ అవసరం ఏం చెప్పు. సేమ్ ఆన్సరా? Again and again I am saying, listen everyone, again and again I am saying, if you don't speak, this is your head. Okay? Currently you are using only eyes. Okay, very carefully looking here. Then you get 0. Oi! నేను నీ కోసమే చెప్తున్నా. ఒరే అబ్బాయి, నేను నీ కోసమే చెప్తున్నా, నువ్వు వినట్లేదు. ఇప్పుడు దాకా నువ్వేం వాడుతున్నావు అంటే నీ కళ్ళు మాత్రమే వాడుతున్నావు. అక్కడ చూడు. ఓకేనా? నాట్ యూజింగ్ మౌత్. మళ్ళా తలకాయ ఊపుతున్నావు. When you speak out, your ear should listen. Okay? Then it will be stored in brain. అర్థమైందా? Everyone understand? When you don't speak, this is this side me. With a big mouth, I am speaking louder, shouting. It will come, drop. అర్థమైందా రాజా? I shout with a big mics. Okay, hello. ఏం హలో? It will come there, drop. అంతే. Return, reverse. If you receive and speak with your mouth, then it will go and stored in your brain. As long as you are not speaking, my voice is waste. It will be dropped. Change your mind. Try to speak along with me. Plus plus x means increase, read, substitute. Minus minus x means decrease, read, substitute. X minus minus means read, increase. No, no. First word read, substitute, decrease. ఎవరు ముందలు ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళు పని చేయాలి. ప్లస్ ప్లస్. హూ ఈస్ దేర్ ఫస్ట్? ప్లస్ ప్లస్ మీన్స్ increase. Then x means read. Whenever variable name is there, I have to read na. Minus minus first come. Decrease, read. X means what? Variable name first is there. Read and substitute. Then minus minus. Decrease. Where? Substitute place a variable memory spacer. Here. Read, substitute, increase. Increase, read, substitute. Japan, flow of execution, what you done? People who are having confusion should overcome from that confusion. Plus plus x. First, this is 1. First, increase. 2. Then read. Substitute. Plus. Exact గా ప్లస్ కింద ప్లస్ రాసుకోవాలి, కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వకూడదు. You have to write the plus exactly down to that plus. Then minus minus x, what? Decrease. 1. Read. Substitute. 1. Exactly down minus. X minus minus. Read. Substitute. Decrease. Plus. X plus plus. Read. 0. Increase. 1. Minus. Plus plus. Increase. 2. Read and substitute. What the x value? 2. Y value? 2 plus 1, 3. Minus 1, 2. Minus 2, 0. Wow, my answer is correct. What about you? Last bit, okay? ఇంకోసారి ట్రై చేద్దాం. టైం వేసినా పర్లేదు, మన కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ రావడం ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇప్పుడు బ్రూస్ లీ డైలాగ్, he never get fear of opponent who is practiced 100 different punches, but he is afraid of one punch practicing 100 times. So plus plus minus minus such a confusing point, so I want you practice it more. Try. This is a different bit or same bit? Different. Plus plus minus minus. If you get a full confidence on plus plus minus minus, in the remaining Java, after all, tumri in front of you. Bacha. మెమరీలో మోడిఫై చేయాలి కదా, వేరియబుల్ వాల్యూనా చేయలేదే. ప్రతిసారి మెమరీలో ఇంక్రీజ్ చేయాలి కదా, ఇంక్రీజ్ డిక్రీజ్ మెమరీలో చేయాలి కదా. Done. What is output x? 5. 4:15. No, you got 29 వచ్చింది. How many of you got same answer? This time more. అరే ఏంట్రా ఇది సైడ్ నో వన్ ఈస్ రైజింగ్ హ్యాండ్ బాయ్స్. ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ రాంగ్ ఆన్సరా? ఎల్లో షర్ట్ ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ రాంగ్ ఆన్సరా? మరి వై ఆర్ నాట్ రైజింగ్ హ్యాండ్? హౌ కెన్ ఐ అండర్స్టాండ్ యూ అండర్స్టూడ్ ఆర్? ఓ హ్యాండ్ ఈస్ నాట్ లిఫ్టింగ్. యూ వాంట్ క్రేన్ crane? See, based on your success only, I will get happiness. If you are hiding your success, how can I how I will be happy? Shall I try or not required? Shall I try? Not required. Not required. Okay. This bit will be the same. There is no difference. No. There is a difference. Try. Homework will be homework only. That never will be completed. This is a compulsory asking written test question. So you must try in the home here only. If there is a point, may or may not kiss in the interview, I will give homework. Compulsory asking questions, I will done in the class only. Done? What is the output? By the time you are working here, you should take x value 1 or 2. 1? No. My question is, this y equal to expression, you have to evaluate with value 1 or with value 2? With value 2, because already I done with increment. Already value increment is happened and 1 substituted there, not used that 1, leaving. Then here what is output? 2 will come. Here 3. 3 or 4? 4. Here 4. Here 4. Here 3. So total output 2 and control 1. Control. Wonderful. 2 and 4. Super. So can I hope all the people are confident on this? Okay. Look at here. Do one thing. Write down these assignments and try at home. Write down these assignments. These are the homework assignments. You try at home. First. Don't answer now. Try at home. Online students, everyone, is it clear? Any doubts you have? Don't answer now. Try to write and try at home. At home, you find output first. Type the question in your system and check output. Your output, JVM output, both are same or not. If not same, then tomorrow we will discuss. If same, no need to discuss. Tomorrow our operators are relational operators, then logical operators, then bitwise operators. No, first tomorrow I'll explain compound assignment operators, same as increment, decrement, compound assignment operator, logical operators, then relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators. We will complete all operators in tomorrow class. Only increment, decrement is so many cases are there. Remaining all are small, tuck will be complete. Tomorrow Friday. Saturday, new chapter will start. You know, right? Saturday will start new chapter. Monday will continue that chapter. And by end of week, Friday will complete that chapter. That is what our style learning. So if you miss the Saturday because of personal appointments, then, you will miss the classes. So please don't miss Saturday. Completed a first section? No, first one here, these are 4 lines. Next, I am reinitializing I variable, num variable with 0 again. Saturday, I will start control flow statements. If, else, switch case, default, while, do while, for, break, continue, return. Control flow statements chapter. The way you learn in your academics, the way I teach in the class, it will be completely different. Maybe you'll feel, already I know I can miss. That what you learn is different from what I am teaching. Lot of important entry questions I will cover. Both are not same, Balai Babu. Okay? Once you finish this writing, you can leave for today. Okay? Tomorrow we'll meet to continue discussion of next points.